Hello, kids. For your independent writing today, I'd like for you to either continue on with a story that you've already been working on. Many of you have long stories that you are just continue to add to and fix up and make changes to. And I invite you to continue doing that if you're really into that. Um, or you could start a new story. If you've got a new idea that you've come across in the last couple of days, then maybe you start putting that story idea down on paper. If you're really having trouble figuring out what to write, I have loaded in another writing prompt. So we had a fun writing prompt yesterday, and there's another fun writing prompt for you today. Writing prompt is just kind of an idea for writing that's handed to you. And this one's about what happens if you were given a baby dragon. It's really cool. So you can watch this and maybe it'll spark an idea for writing, and then you spend the rest of your independent writing time writing that story. It's up to you. I don't want you to stress out about the writing. I want you to have fun being creative, being a kid, enjoying getting some ideas down, illustrating your stories, using some of these fun techniques that we've been talking about, like adding sensory details and sequence words and things like that to help your story be better. Um, but I'm interested in hearing what you have to say during our author share, and I wish the best of luck to you, and I hope that you're having fun with your writing projects. Good luck and enjoy.